Good morning, all of you. Welcome to KGP online classes and welcome back to English grammars class. In our previous video of this chapter, adjectives, we learned that what are adjectives. Adjectives are also called as describing words. All the words that describes the noun, that tells some special quality of the noun, are called as adjectives. Okay, so in this video we are going to continue our chapter. We are going to learn that what is the job of adjective, and we are also going to learn how to recognize an adjective in a sentence. All right, now these are the few jobs of adjective. Okay, like what adjectives tells you about nouns. So adjective can tell you what is the color of noun. For example, an apple is red, so red will be the adjective. The cat is white in color, white will be the adjective, and cat is the noun here. Orange, texture, the adjective also tells you the texture of a noun. For an example, knife, knife is a thing, it's a noun. And if it is sharp, sharp will be the adjective. An adjective also tells you the shape of the noun. For an example, it's a huge building, huge will be adjective. Is small, the house is really small, small will be adjective. It also tells you, adjective also tells you the taste of the noun. For an example, the chocolate was too sweet, sweet will be adjective. Or the vegetable was salty, that's why I couldn't eat it, so salty will be the adjective. It tells you the sound. If the music is too loud, loud would be adjective. Number, it also tells you the quantity of noun. For an example, I have four pens in my box. The four will be the adjective. It tells you the weather. It's a sunny day today, or it is a it's a dark night today. So sunny and dark will be the adjectives. Feelings, it also describes feelings of nouns. For an example, I am feeling happy today, I'm shy in nature, or I am sad today. So all these words, sad, happy, glad, shy, all these words are describing feelings of a person or of a noun. Okay, so all these words are also adjectives. So these are all the jobs of adjectives, that what adjectives do for nouns. Okay, how they describe nouns. Now let's learn that how we can recognize an adjective in a sentence. All right, so adjectives can come either before or after a noun. So whenever you read a sentence, first what you will have to do, you have to recognize the nouns. You have already studied the nouns. Any person, place, animal or thing is noun. So first you recognize the noun that we are talking about, and then you try to recognize that what in the sentence we are telling about the noun. Alright, now let's look at the examples and it will make you clear. Manish is a tall boy. Okay, so in this we are saying the tall is the adjective. The word tall tells us what kind of boy Manish is. Okay, the word is describing that what kind of boy Manish is. He is a tall boy. Okay, so tall will be the adjective, and it is describing about which noun. It is describing the noun boy. Alright, as you can see in this particular sentence, there are two nouns. First is Manish and second is boy. But the word tall is saying that he is a tall boy. What kind of a boy? Tall boy. So it is describing this particular word boy. So boy is the noun here. Okay. Second is, this is a white cat. The word white is telling us what color the cat is. It describing the color of cat. That's why white will be the adjective. Let's look at other examples. Tarun has two toys. The word two tells us how many toys Tarun has. Okay. In these sentences, you can see that the adjective is coming before the noun. Okay, the adjective is coming before the noun. The toys are two in number. All right, toy is the noun. Now let's look at this sentence. This is a fat cow. The word fat tells us about the shape and size of the cow. Okay, cow is the noun here, and what word is describing this cow? Which word is describing this cow? Fat. Okay, this cow is fat in shape and size. Okay, so fat is the adjective. You must have noticed that in each of these examples, we have read 4 examples, and in each of these examples, the adjective was coming before the noun. Okay, now let's look more examples, and in these examples, adjectives are coming after the nouns. The oranges are ripe and juicy. Okay, we are talking here about oranges. Oranges is the noun, and what is the quality of oranges? They are ripe and juicy. So ripe and juicy is the quality of these oranges. This is the adjective. This cake has blue, pink, yellow, and so many colors. It has so many colors. So these colors that are describing the cake, all these colors are adjectives. Okay, so every color that describes every word that describes the noun is an adjective. Okay, so you can notice that in these sentences then the adjectives are coming after the nouns. Now let's look at more examples. This bag is blue in color. It is heavy. Bag is the noun here, and it is blue in color and it is heavy. Blue and heavy are the adjectives, as they are telling us something more about the nouns. This flower is yellow. Flower is the noun here, and what do we know about this flower? That this flower is yellow in color. So yellow will be the adjective. Okay, so adjectives are really simple, and we must remember that every word that tells about anything about the nouns, that particular word is an adjective. Okay, that particular word is an adjective. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, and if you have any query, please do contact me. Thank you.